Hi there. Today, we're showcasing stock your home disposable aluminum loaf pans with lids, perfect for baking and storage. These 2-pound aluminum foil pans are designed for baking, serving, and storing hot or cold foods with ease. The pans are freezer and oven safe, distributing heat evenly for consistent baking results, though the lids should not go in the oven. They come with stackable features, making storage simple and allowing easy labeling for restaurants or catering businesses. The disposable design means effortless cleanup after use, ideal for parties, picnics, and holiday meals. Each pack includes 50 pans and 50 plastic lids, providing great value for everyday meal prep and more. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.